Each month, Dr. Jeff and I come together to host an empowering webinar through our Eat to Heal and Restore support group in collaboration with Kemeticare, Dr. Jeff's holistic health company.
We dive deep into a plethora of different topics regarding the root causes of the chronic disease states that plague our community. We want to provide practical and tangible solutions, both physically, emotionally, and spiritually.
And the best part is, you don't have to go through your journey alone. Our support group is based on evidence-based research, years of experience, and some good old-fashioned TLC.
Don't wait to make the changes you know are necessary to your lifestyle to achieve a different level of health. Your healing, your health, your wellness, the transformation you seek, it starts today.
We're here to walk the path with you, and we can't wait to see you at our next webinar. So join us. Your journey to healing starts now.